Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today let's make perfect gulab jamun at home with a ready-made pack. Take a plate, add 1½ cup of ready-made gulab jamun mix bought from the store. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of maida flour. Maida helps to bind the flour well. Gently mix it up. Be careful while making a dough. It plays a great role. Now just gradually add the water and gently press it. Make sure that you don't press it too much. If you press the dough, then you may get cracks while doing the jamun dough. Never overpress it. Now our dough is ready. Just add half tablespoon of ghee. While making the dough, never press it too hard. It is a major step. Apply the ghee on the top of the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now let's make sugar syrup. In a pan, add 1 cup of sugar and 1 glass of water. I think the 1 glass is not sufficient, so I am adding another half glass of sugar, another half cup of water, and let it come to a boil. You don't need to check for any consistency. Let it come to a boil and boil it for 5 minutes. The added sugar and water should be in equal proportion. Now let's make jamun. Apply oil to both of your hands. Take a small piece of dough and make it into a round shape. Make round shape gently, never overpress it. For a perfect jamun, it does not have any cracks on it. Our jamun dough is ready. Now deep fry them in a slightly heated oil. Don't overheat the oil so that it cooks well inside. Now today we are going to fry golden brown. If you wish, you can even fry it till it is dark golden brown in color. As it is golden brown, I am going to remove it from the oil and keep it aside. Now let's drop some more jamuns and fry them. If you prefer, you can even fry it until it is dark golden brown. But I always prefer light golden brown. Now our perfect gulab jamun is almost done. See, there is no crack on the gulab jamun. Now let's drop this into the sugar syrup. Drop them into the sugar syrup. Gently mix them. Gulab jamun looks awesome. Let's soak it for 30 minutes. Now jamun is doubled in size. Now you can taste this perfect gulab jamun. Try this recipe and follow the tips for perfect shape, texture. It is very soft and perfect jamun. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal for many more recipes. Bye bye.